Good morning from Arizona. Today I'm with Patrick. He's right over here getting suited up. And we're out here at the San Domingo Placers. Yeah, we're hunting a club claim today. And hoping for a couple little pieces of gold. This area is known for little bitty pieces, lots of them. And there was some big ones here too, but they got found a long time ago, most of those. Areas are hit pretty hard. But we just had to get out. It's kind of breezy today, just a beautiful day out here. Yeah, we're gonna see about getting a little gold today. Patrick's using the Gold Monster, the 5-inch coil, and I'll be using the GPZ 6000, GPX 6000, and off we go. All right, I think you can hear this target. In a second. Get the machine calm back down here. And we're balanced. I think you can hear this target here. Listen, it's right down here. We're gonna set this thing down and we're gonna dig it up and see what we got. Have a seat. I'm gonna go after this one with a pick. It sounds a little bit in the ground. I could be wrong, it could be just something tiny on the surface. Okay. Here we go. Still there. Right in here. A little more dirt off. And back at it. Okay, I moved it. Right there in the dirt pile. Kick some of this over here. And it's right. I heard it. I had it buried, then I buried it again. Too much. Oh, I can't tell from here in the camera or the darn target. See what I do? I should have just dug it up, but I'm screwing around. Let's move this. And the machine's been sitting still, so it's unhappy. It might have been a piece of iron when I used the pick to move that dirt around. I lost it, or it's buried in here. Yep, bit caught on the pick. Sorry. All right, off we go. Okay, we got a pretty loud target right here. Let me turn off the headphones. Okay. Right by this rock. I thought it was just going to be trash right on top, but oh, there's junk everywhere here. Can't move. Sorry, that's my camera. So we got something sitting right there that we're going to go after. We'll quiet the machine down a little. Sure can hear that pick. I'm not sure what I'm hearing right now. Sure is noisy. Try it again. That's better. Okay. I got it out of the hole. In here. Yep. Okay. Nice loud target. But as you know, we dig a lot of junk. Okay, it's in my hand. Still in my hand. Yeah, I don't see any gold jumping out at us. And so don't. Is that gold? I don't think so. No. It's gonna be trash. Yep. A little piece of iron or something. It'll be. Alright, I walked across the street a little ways. I'm gonna dig over here. Yeah, I got a target right here. Right here. Shallow, whatever it is. Right there. Got it. Yeah. Ah, yeah. I just got some choy off the back of my boot, stuck right in my behind. Ouch. Okay, anyway. I see it. Right here. Look. Gold. It's got a little nugget, Patrick.
You got one?
Yeah, hunt over here. I just got one.
You got one?
I just nailed one, yeah.
Great.
I just realized that the camera, I didn't have my headphones so you could hear, but it sounds just like a BB. But we got her. It was laying right here. Let's see what she looks like cleaned up. And there you have it. Nice little Arizona nugget. Yes, sirree. I'll take it. It may be small, but I'll take it, by golly. Ah, man, did I dig a lot of trash for that one. Okay, we got a target right here. Where'd it go? Hear that? Let's see what it is. It's shallow. Probably 90% of what I dig in here, when it sounds like that, is a BB. So I take very light layers off at a time. This one's a little deeper, that's encouraging. Most of those little shotgun pellets are right on top. But some nuggets are too. Moved it. Right there. So, what are you going to call it? Shotgun pellet or BB? Same thing. Shotgun pellet or nugget. Uh-oh. It's already out of the scoop. Yeah, and I can see it already. And it's a BB. Big one. Right there. There it is. That's for my BB gun, looks like. A little way. Okay, I've got a pretty good signal here. I dug quite a bit of dirt off. Thought I'd better turn the camera on. It's actually still down the ground a ways, so those always make me hopeful. Let's hope for a nice piece of gold. It's out. Right in there. Okay, we're going to spread this out a little, make it easier to find. Right here. We got it. Okay, let's hope for another piece of gold. I think we get a couple today. Dug my share of BBs. Sure have. In my hand. In my hand, and I see a BB. Ah, right there it is. Stinking things. They drive me nuts. Well, I'm running out of battery going on and on here, but I just dug this little hole. Sorry about that. Dug this little hole right here. Thought it was going to be another piece of trash. And look at there. That's a piece of pretty gold right there. Pretty little piece of gold. So I'm going to keep hunting here for a little bit. That's two. Boy, I dug a lot of BBs today. And somebody with a BB's the size of a kid's BB gun has been shooting out here, man. They're everywhere. But two pieces of gold. Well, that's it, my friends. I'm pooped. I got two. It's gonna be a short video, I think, so I'm not gonna bore you with all the trash digging I did. Today was one of those days. I dug a lot of trash, but I did get these guys. This one's kind of in a cool shape. Let me clean it up. Kind of a, looks like a little boomerang or something. But yeah, there they are. My 2 nuggets for the day. Well, it's better than getting skunked, right? Yippee-ki-yay. If you like these videos, want to learn how to nugget hunt, want to watch me nugget hunt, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Nugget shooter out. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Nugget shooter out.